We often find ourselves at a crossroad, faced with choice that challenge our values and inspiration. Today, I want to explore a scenario that many athletics and individuals can relate to. Would you rather be the star player on a losing football teams or ride the bench on a winning one? Being the star player on a losing team carries a certain you are the go-to person, the one everyone counts on to make the big plays. Your individual's achievements may shine brightly, but they are often overshadowed by the team's overall struggles. You may not get as much playing time or individual's recognition, but you are part of something bigger than yourself. You contribute to the team's success in your own way, whether it's through supporting your teammates, pushing them in practices, you're being ready to step up when needed. The joy of victory is sharing by all, and you are an integral part of that collective achievements. I'd rather be a star player on a losing football team because I experience the skills I would gain from being a key player are invaluable, and even through the team may not win, my personal growth and contribute would be something I could carry forward, potential turning future teams into winners.